So you just bought your new lens bundle from us and you're looking to find out how you can register it with the manufacturer? Stay tuned, we have the answer for you. Hey everyone, Adam here over at the Digital Goja showroom, and as an authorized seller for many brands like Canon, Tamron, and Sigma, we know how important it is to have all the information needed to register your lens online with the manufacturer. Now there are many benefits for doing so, and one of the most important is that you receive your full manufacturer's warranty. In fact, when you purchase from us as an authorized dealer, you're going to get a 1-year manufacturer warranty from Canon, a 4-year warranty from Sigma, and a 6-year warranty from Tamron. We've had a lot of people calling in asking us where they can locate the serial number on their lens so that they can fill out the online registration form. So we're creating this video to show you where you can find the serial number on most lenses. So the first thing you're going to want to do is check on the outside of the box. Many of the manufacturers place a sticker with the serial number on the outside of the box, but sometimes due to shipping regulations, some of those barcodes and labels are covered. So you're going to want to go ahead and open the box, and inside you'll find a serial card or sticker. And some of the cards have blank spaces for you to fill out your name and dealer information and mail to the manufacturer. This was mainly done in the past. Most of the time, now you're going to fill out the registration information online with the manufacturer. Now the easy part is filling out that online registration form. The tricky part could be locating the serial number on your lens. And that could be because the lens is black, the numbers are very small, but that's why we're doing this video. We're going to show you how to locate and find that little pattern that manufacturers use for placing the serial number on your lenses. Of course, there could be variations from lens to lens, but we'll show you how easy it is to find that serial number. Finding the serial numbers on your Tamron lens could be quite challenging because the numbers are quite small, they're faint, but I recommend taking your cell phone, activating the flashlight, and once you find them, you can take a picture of it, enlarge it, and write down the exact numbers. So first, you're going to want to locate where it says designed in Japan. To the left of it, you'll see some recycling symbols, and then you'll see where the lens was manufactured. So right here, we have the 18 to 400 millimeter lens, and the serial number is going to fall in between where it says designed in Japan and its manufacturing. And this is going to hold true for some of the other lenses that Tamron offers, even some of the older lenses. But if you have like a 24 to 70 f2.8, or if maybe you have one of their great prime lenses like a 45 1.8, you'll be able to find it in a similar location. Now, it's going to be a little bit different for your longer telephoto zoom lenses. On a lens like the 70 to 200, the serial number is going to fall on the zoom ring. Now I found a little trick that will make it easier to locate. If you rotate the zoom ring to 200 millimeters, the serial number will fall just above where it says designed in Japan. And this is again going to be on the zoom ring, and that's going to be the same for the 150 to 600. But on the 150 to 600, you just rotate it to 400 millimeter position, and the numbers are going to fall just above the designed in Japan as well. Finding the serial number on your Sigma lens is going to be very easy. Sigma has standardized the placement for the serial number on pretty much all their lenses. So if you have a Global Vision Series lens in the Sport, Contemporary, or Art series, what you're going to want to do is look for where it says Sigma in white on the barrel of the lens, and just look straight up and you'll be able to locate the serial number of your lens. On most Canon lenses, the serial number can be found either above or below the recycling symbols found closer to the rear lens mount. Now that holds true for the EFS lenses as it does the L series lenses. Now if you don't find the serial numbers located in any of those positions, you can look underneath the rear lens cap, like on the 85mm f1.2L, where the serial number is actually imprinted on the rear lens mount. Once you've gathered all the information and the serial number, you're ready to go online to the manufacturer's website to complete the steps in registering your lens. Here at Digital Goja, we have an incredible customer service team ready to answer any of your questions, so feel free to contact us anytime. Give us a thumbs up if this video helped you out, and if you have any other questions regarding warranty information, make sure to leave them in the comments section below. Be sure to subscribe to our channel for more information on the newest gear, first looks, unboxings, and much, much more. If you're in the South Florida area, stop by and say hello to us at the Digital Goja showroom. Adam here. Keep on shooting. I'll catch you in the next video.